everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. During our winter theme, we did a lot of activities using our puffy glue and our puffy paint. And in this activity, we did the puffy glue, and it's super easy if you've never made it before. I just simply put some shaving cream onto a tray, and then I just add some glue. And you can just kind of eyeball it, you know, it just kind of make sure looks like there's plenty in there. And then I let the children mix it around. And what the activity I'm going to show you today are cardboard snowmen. Now, this happened after I got lots of boxes from Amazon, big boxes for Christmas, and I thought, okay, I need to use that cardboard for something. And then we had made our Christmas trees a while before Christmas out of cardboard, same thing, and I thought, let's make snowmen this time. So I cut the cardboard just freehanded, just a kind of a snowman shape, and then I put the shaving cream and glue on the tray, and then I invited the children to come up and to mix it using rollers. Now, I've shared before that you can either get these plastic rollers with the rubber, and they have different patterns on them. These work great. I'll drop a link in the description, and also brayers work well too. I love using rollers because it works their whole entire arm, shoulder, wrist, fingers, hands. For younger children, they love the big movement, so I like to do a lot of activities using these. So I just had it like this, and the first step was simply to mix it all around, and then they just ran it on top of the cardboard. So I did this before I even gave them their pieces. I just had them roll it right on top of the cardboard. Then when they were finished with that, we removed the glue and the shaving cream because I find that kind of gets distracting. When they're finished with the glue, I take it away, and then I give them their pieces. And I just had a lot of different white pieces that I saved. We had feathers and cotton balls. I had little pieces of white tissue paper. I had a white Duplo brick. We had these little cotton pads that they loved the feeling of them. Cotton swabs, some of this cute, the packing material. This came in something that I got last fall, and I'm still using it. It was packing material, just shredded paper. They use that up here as the hair. We had caps from bottles that somebody put on as a nose. So it was a lot of fun and a lot of different textures going on. And then I had these big, gigantic googly eyes that I have shared before that I ordered them off Amazon, and I got the biggest bag ever, and I will be using them for the rest of my teaching career and probably passing them on to somebody else. But look at how cute they turned out. And I love that they're big. Big art, like I said, is always fun with the younger children. And a little button right there. No two are alike. They all look a little different, which is what I love. Each one has its own personality, so it gets it away from the craft and a little bit more towards the process art. So just find things that you have in your home or your classroom, different white pieces, and after they glue their cardboard shaped snowmen, invite them to press them on, and then you have your whole cardboard snowman family. Thanks for watching.